Hey there Free Fire players! Wanna team up with your friend but don't want to add 100 people? I got you! Here's how to use a team code in Free Fire. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open Free Fire and tap on your game mode box. You know, the one that shows Battle Royale or Class Squad. Switch to Squad mode and you'll see a little option that says team code at the bottom. If your friend made the team, you are gonna tap on join with code. Now just tap in the sweet little code your friend gave you. Hit join and bam, you are in the lobby, ready to destroy. Wanna host your own team? Just tap create team and your unique code will pop up. Share it with your friends, your squad or your entire guild. It's that easy. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can add team code in Free Fire. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.